Welcome ladies and gentlemen, it's Iceblade here for another YouTube video. Today's video we're looking at Bluetooth connectivity on devices that don't have Bluetooth. Like normally laptops would have Bluetooth connectivity, your cell phones has it. I mean, you get earphones and devices like that, speakers, speaker pods. And how would you connect that device to an older computer or something like that that does not have Bluetooth? Now this question came up actually due to a PC I have to upgrade. So we're going to do the hard drive, going to swap that to a SSD, pure performance. We're going to put in some memory there. They have like 2 gigs, so just adding another 4 in there. So the lady doing the typing at the office is basically transcribing. So her boss would give her a tape with what she needs to type on that. So she listens to it. Now her earphones have also got an upgrade and it's Bluetooth. And they can't connect this to their current PC, work PC, old box PC. I'm doing the upgrade on that as well on the channel, so you can have a look at that. So did some research, found this little dongle thing. Now this dongle is small and it works on laptop, mobile devices, PDAs and headsets. So this is what we wanted it for headsets, and it's a general device. It runs off all the basic Windows. It uses Bluetooth version 4, so it is an older device, but I mean that's basically all we need. And it supports network, it supports dial-up, it supports even LAN access to this device. Should be brilliant. It uses the USB interface of USB 2 and USB 3. So good for you, huh? And then the transmission speed is 3 megabytes per second. So that's all technical blah blah blah. But what this needs to do is it needs to connect that old PC to brand new headsets. So we will see if this PC and the headsets will marry up and make sweet music. Did you come here for unboxing? Ain't got no box. It's just a piece of plastic. And it's not even those that's been hard to, I don't think, no. It's just those ones that open up, normal lips on the side. Has like a leaflet, pamphlet thing, and dongle comes out, has a gold connector. They say it's plug and play. But we have small driver. So that's supposed to be the driver, I think. If it's not plug and play, and then you just have all the information of the device. So get that puppy in there and see what's going on with it.
Welcome back ladies and gentlemen. So this is the conclusion of our Bluetooth dongle review, and it was a success. The client could use the Bluetooth headset with the Bluetooth dongle, no issues. On the site, I forgot to mention, it says that it has a plus minus 20-meter range, but that should be free of obstructions like walls, stuff blocking the signal. So it's almost like a line of sight type of thing. Now she said that she could get 10 meters, no issue. She was walking around in her office, so her whole office area was actually covered by this Bluetooth dongle. and never had any drops, any issues with the device. It was plug and play, and although also on the packaging it says that it covers Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, and it doesn't say 10, but it does work on Windows 10. Windows 10 picks it up beautifully and installs it without the small driver CD that I showed. So no issues. It's a great product. It's not that expensive. So if you need Bluetooth connectivity on an older PC or something that doesn't have that option, just get one of these. They really do the job, and like I said, client says no issues. She's been working with it for close to a month now, and still going strong. So it's at the back of the PC. We thought that that would make an issue because the PC is under a cupboard, but still seems that the signal is strong enough for the headsets to pick them up, and also the quality of the headsets or the sound, she says, is great. There's no difference between having it on and playing music through her iPhone on Bluetooth and then versus this Bluetooth dongle on the work PC for work. So seems that we have victory. So if you have any questions about the Bluetooth dongle, you can just leave it in the comments down below and I will get on it. If I don't know the answer, I would contact the lady and ask her that someone wants to know, does this do this A, B, and C? And then she gives me feedback. I will give you feedback. If you haven't yet, guys, please subscribe. Hit the like. It's the only way we get our videos seen, and it doesn't cost you anything. Thank you for watching, guys.